Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Kingston Harbour, and this is to the left. That's Jam Dock 1, the first floating dry dock in Jamaica. And that ship decided, looks as if it's going to be the next ship to be serviced at the dry dock. Trying to see if we could get the name. Was that you something Houston? Okay, so the way this works is the dry dock is going to be submerged and the ship sails over it, and then the dry dock is raised out of the water, thereby lifting the ship out of the water. I would love to make a video of it being done. We just have to try and figure out the time that they're going to be doing it, and we'll come out here and make a video. Should be very interesting, but that's how the dry dock works. Now these ships have to be maintained by law, by maritime law. There is a certain time frame in which these ships have to be lifted out of the water and inspected and work done on them. So this is a very good industry for Jamaica. And Jamaica is ideally located by the Panama Canal. So that means it's a major shipping lane. So a lot of ships pass through the Caribbean Sea on the way to or from the Panama Canal. So they can come here and get serviced and won't be out of commission for a very long time. Not to mention the Kingston Harbour has a lot of ships in it, because you know Jamaica imports a lot of stuff that they use and sell and basically keeps the country going. Most, if not all of it, is imported. So a lot of ships will be coming to Jamaica already, so they can use this facility. And this is just the beginning. The dock is run by the German Shipyard, and they have plans to bring in more dry docks over time and expand the facility, double the size that it is now. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated on that project. But this is definitely a new industry for Jamaica, because this is the first floating dry dock capable of lifting a 20-ton ship out of the water. Other Caribbean countries do it, but this is the first one for Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. This is actually another ship here. This one is docked to pick up or drop off stuff. This is the one to be worked on. Alright, we're going to go back out onto the Palisade Strip now and head towards St. Thomas. This road actually takes you to the airport, or to and from the airport, and also Port Royal, but majority of the traffic you see on this road is for the airport. There is a police car over in the bush. I guess they're looking for people speeding. Alright, so this is the Harbour View roundabout now. Turn left, you head into Kingston. Go straight across, you head into the Harbour View neighborhood. And turn right, you go into St. Thomas. Since it's going to rain, we're not going to bother to go over to St. Thomas. So we're going to show you the entrance to the German shipyard. So this is the actual entrance here, and this is a new section they set up where eventually they'll have more dry docks over there. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.